Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to use Exness demo account. Let's begin. First, open Exness on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap on the three lines icon and select Demo. This will open your demo account. To use it, you have several options. The Trade tab allows you to buy or sell different cryptocurrencies. The Markets tab shows price movements and related information. The Performance tab displays your account's performance. Lastly, the Profile tab contains your account settings. Now, go to the Accounts tab and tap on Deposit. Enter the amount you want to deposit, tap Continue, and the amount will be added to your demo balance. Similarly, if you want to withdraw funds, tap Withdraw, enter the amount, and continue. To trade, tap on the Trade option. Select a cryptocurrency by tapping on its name and choosing your preferred one. Review the chart to analyze market trends. Then, buy or sell according to your analysis. This demo account is a great way to practice trading without risking real money. It helps you understand how the platform works and lets you test different strategies safely. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.